The question is, can we cut this plexiglass with some of these type of blades? I got this recently, this Work Pro small circular saw, and it came with a wood blade, it came with a diamond blade, and it also came with one that says wood plastic. Usually when you try to cut this kind of stuff, it melts. So I know I've done it with a specialized jigsaw blade. I'm gonna try right now and see what happens with this blade. It's just like a finer tooth saw blade. Now I actually have a size that I want to cut, which is 16 1/4 by 6 inches. But first of all, I want to make sure that this method is going to work. So I just drew a line down here. I'm just going to freehand try to cut this. Get my mask on here. Looks like it was trying to melt. All right, so I'm a little bit concerned about this because I'd like to make a nice straight cut. So I'm going to have to think about this a minute and see how I can set that up. Here's my setup. I've just got a thin piece of plywood here which has got a fairly straight edge, and I'm going to run this down it. Oh, I thought it had the depth set correctly there. Well, anyway, it's put a mark on it. Maybe I wasn't holding it down properly. I thought I had this deep enough. I'm going to go a little bit more. And at least now it has a path to follow. So let's see if we can make this work. Take a look at this. It's actually not bad. I'm going to need to clean that up a little bit with a file, but for me, that will do the trick. This is a scrap piece. I don't know if it's as good as a jigsaw. Maybe you get a finer jigsaw blade, it might come out a little better, but I think this will do for me. If you found this useful, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That will really help out. We'll see you next time.